Hello, and welcome to this Lifelines Neuro video tutorial. This video will help anyone using the Trackit T4A to properly manage their data files so that they can be easily uploaded into Render Portal or persist while remaining HIPAA compliant. We recommend that you follow these simple steps when using the Trackit T4A. First, perform your recording as usual with a Trackit T4A amplifier. When you are finished acquiring the study, stop the recording. Locate the patient's PC data folder. It should be on the desktop in the Patient Video File folder.
Then, create a new folder on the desktop or external hard drive for your patient.
You can right-click and select New and then Folder to do this. We recommend using a folder name in accordance with your lab's protocol. Move the .bdf and .tev files from the Patient PC Data folder on your desktop to the new folder you just created. Please note the lowercase file names. This is as easy as clicking and dragging. If you see multiple .tvx files in the Patient PC folder on the desktop, move all but the original to the new folder you created.
Then, delete the .bdf and .tev files from the PC data folder.
Take the SD card out of the T4A amplifier and place it into the card reader that is connected to the device. Move the .bdf and .tev files to the Patient PC folder by clicking and dragging. These file names are uppercased or capitalized, so they are easy to tell apart from the data files on the PC. Double-check to make sure that all files remaining in the PC Patient folder have the same file name. If this is not the case, please contact customer support for assistance in renaming the files. The PC Patient folder study is now ready to upload into the Render Portal or opened in Persist. Follow your lab protocols for removing the files from the desktop in order to remain HIPAA compliant. Thank you for choosing Lifelines Neuro. If you have any questions, please contact our customer support team. Links are in the description. Please like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to see updates from Lifelines Neuro.